Hello and welcome back to my channel, everyone. We are almost done with our monthly reads. Only Aquarius and Sagittarius is left. So if you want to view any other sun sign, then you might have to visit my channel page and find whatever sign you want to see and let me know if it resonates with you. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Subscribe buttons down there, and these are just general reads. It may or may not resonate with everyone. If it resonates with you, then do let me know in the comment section below. Let's see what comes up for our Sagittarius for the month of December 2020. Finally, we are in the last month, and Sagittarius, it's your birthday month. Happy birthday. For those of you whose birthdays still have to come. So let's see what comes up for our Saggies for this month, for December 2020. What's coming up for our Sagittarians? The King of Pentacles, Ace of Pentacles. Okay. Ten of Pentacles. Are you thinking about anything else, Sagittarius, other than the Pentacles? Okay, someone wants to approach someone also. Nice. Also, finally, you guys will realize in this month of December what path you need to work on, and you have already actually seen the path. You know what you have to work on, and that is for those who are thinking of approaching someone. So you already know the whole path. You have already started manifesting it. You have already started asking the universe. Oh, okay. Are you traveling overseas trip? Because that's the overall outcome. Okay. Thinking of starting a new business or have already started a new business, first of all. So if some of you are still thinking of starting it, then go ahead, it's your time, and you'll be pretty strong, pretty powerful, and it's definitely gonna flourish because we do have the Ace of Pentacles. So whatever you are wishing to accomplish in terms of finances, and also in terms of your love life, also in terms of your relationship, whatever you want to accomplish, you will get it with the Ace of Pentacles here. Ace. If some of you right now are thinking that, where's all that money, where's everything, what all the reads are saying, uh, where's all the money that is supposed to come towards me, then you need to understand that the improvements are underway and you'll be glorified very soon. In the month of December, definitely you will be glorified. Could be visiting a place of worship. Delays can be there, but in those delays also there are improvements that are happening. So if it's in terms of your finances, if it's in terms of your relationship, if you're thinking, even one part of you is thinking that why are all these delays coming, then just remember there's something working in the background. Universe is doing something for you. Universe is making something happen for you. So there are improvements that are going on. I just want to clarify the Eight of Cups here, because I do see that your cups are full. Okay, so you don't have to, be it in terms of love, be it in terms of finances, you just cannot see it because you gotta turn towards it and see what's happening around. you have your back towards whatever good is happening. So you have to turn towards it and see what's happening, what's going on. If you turn, you'll be able to understand, oh, finally I achieved this. That's gonna give you a positive approach. And then what? 10 of Pentacles, which is signing of some kind of money agreements, money contentment, all the financial abundance your way. This agreement could be in terms of a relationship also. Some of you might be in a twin flame relationship, and you could be now finally getting on to the point where you both have realized it, and you both are gonna work towards this journey. You are both gonna work on this path and walk on it together. And yeah, it's gonna give you happiness. There's a lot of happiness that's coming for you in the month of December, and you'll be happy, you'll be pleased to know, you'll be feeling very happy, sitting there like, oh, just look at this person. This person's like so pleased. This person's so happy that this person has all the cups of love, all the cups of finances, every single thing. Like, this person has achieved everything and sitting like, see, I did it. Um, you're focusing on one thing, and keep your focus on that thing, because the more you focus on it, the more it's gonna happen. It is gonna happen anyways, but it's just gonna make it faster the more you focus on it. So yeah. And for those of you who are trying to approach someone, I see you in your full strength, approaching that person, going towards that person. So keep up with that thing, keep up with that emotion, keep up with that vibe, because now you know what path you need to walk on. You know the actual path. Finally, there's only one path that you have to walk on, and that you know. There is no other path. There's just this one path that you can see right now, and that's the only path for you. That is the only thing that you have come into this world for. This was for those who are in this twin flame relationship and who just realized their path. Okay. And also, the overall outcome of the read is the World card, which means an overseas trip, or it basically means the world is in your hands, and you can do whatever you want. You have all the wishes will be granted if you put it into the universe. Simply just put it, because right now you're so close to the universe. You have all the world in your hand. You have a lot of new opportunities coming your way, and there are a lot of angels, there are a lot of universal powers that are actually protecting you from all the negative energies, and you are looking at all the opportunities. And just remember that you have to avail all of the opportunities. You cannot even leave one of it. It's a pretty good read for you, Sagittarius, because it was your birthday month, I think. So you guys have worked a lot on your inner strength, and till the last month when I took out your birthday read, it was coming that you are in the journey of the spiritual awakening, and I think you have done pretty good in that, and that's why you are receiving all this in the month of December. Divine is granting you all your wishes in the month of December. So hopefully your spiritual session time is finally gone, and now you'll be feeling a lot better, a lot healthier, a lot happy. Let's just see what the universe wants to guide our Sagittarians for the month of December 2020. Universe, please guide our Sagittarians for the month of December 2020. Yeah, just stay strong and take the leap of faith. Take the you have to take this giant leap. You might feel that this is the biggest risk of your life, but you gotta take that, because that is gonna lead you towards happiness. That is gonna lead you towards your peace of mind. That's gonna lead you towards your goal in life, and that is the reason why you were sent on this planet to help other people. So just stay strong in your own self, and there's happiness, there's, you have to take this Libra faith. And even though there are people telling you, there would be somebody helping you again. I don't see you walking alone. I do see somebody walking with you. Could be if you have a dog, could be a puppy, or could be a dog that's actually giving you the strength that go take the Libra faith, take this risk. This is gonna make you happy. This is gonna make your life a lot easier. So, and some of you, those who are trying to approach someone with your cup of love, and you're thinking, oh my god, should I take this decision? Should I talk about it, or should I go say something? Then you have to take this risk, because that's what the universe is guiding you, and that is going to lead you to your peace of mind. That is the only thing that's going to give you contentment. You'll feel emotionally fulfilled, you'll feel a lot happier, and you'll have everything that you've always wished for, and it's a good luck sign for you. So this is basically a good luck. Universe is saying you are all fortunate right now, so whatever you want to do it in this month. That's all I want to say to you. I mean, so that was your guidance for the month of December. I'm sorry, the way I said that last thing, that just came out. Even I don't know why that came out from my mouth, and it was all of a sudden. But yeah, whatever you want to do it in the month of December. Nice. I like it. Okay, so that was the read. And yeah, if you want to book a personal read with me, I'll be posting the link down below. That's unitingflames.com. Simply just go to the website, fill the contact form, and our team will contact you in whatever time you specify there. Just see the on-screen instructions. It'll be all up there. So that was your read, Sagittarians. If it resonated with you, do let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe and like to this video. And yeah, I'll see you all in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.